outfit. Something cool to impress my Hollywood friends.
Oh, well, you've come just to the right place. Have you heard of Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt?
Yeah, they're a great Hollywood couple. Wasn't her wedding dress decorated with little pictures drawn by their kids?
Oh, not pictures, but works of art. Oh, and that same luxurious look can be yours. The Jolie Pitt kids design all of our fashion. They're the most creative kids on the planet.
Maybe that's an exaggeration.
Oh, think that until you feast your eyes on this magnificent display of light and color. Ooh! Look at how the colors repeat and repeat into infinity. Oh, it's gorgeous.
That's a tie-dye t-shirt. I can literally get that from any hipster's closet in Silver Lake.
Oh.
I'm looking for something unique. I want to impress people. Come on.
Of course, of course. I know just the thing. The Jolie Pitt kids are so talented that they created this next look that you're gonna love. It's the latest fashion and oh, so happy.
It's a smiley face.
Such a wonderful look that your friends will love. It's so unique.
It's not unique. It's an emoticon. Every millennial uses it 1,000 times a day. You know what? Maybe this just isn't the place to find a one-of-a-kind, unique outfit to impress people.
Of course it is. I know just the thing. I know just the thing. It's the pinnacle of art that adults love. I call it the landscape outfit. Chua! Look at the design, the shape, the color, the beauty.
That's the picture that every freaking kid in the world draws in the first grade.
It's art.
It's not unique.
It's signed by Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt.
Do you take Discover?
Do I?